Okay, so you want to add smooth head tracking to your TikTok effect just like this. Well, here's how you do it. The first thing we need is a head tracker so we can get the position of the user's head. So we go to Add Object, AR Tracking, Head Tracker. Then we're going to need the thing that we want tracked to the user's head. For this example, I'm just going to add a 3D plane. Under Face Binding, we can hide the head occluder because we don't need it for this. Then we go to Face Binding, Position, Get Position, Plane, Position, Get Position. Now from the Face Binding Get Position, we'll drag out and add a lerp node. We'll connect the get position of the plane and add a step of 0.5. Then we want to go back into plane, position, set position, connect the output of the lerp to the set position. We'll add an update and connect that too. And there you go, it's tracking to my head. If you want it to be more smooth, you can increase the step. And if you want it to be quick, you can lower the step. But I'm just going to leave it at 0.5. If you want to add a value to this number, then we drag out from the lerp, add, connect that to the set position, and I'm just going to add 5 to the Y. And there we go, smooth head tracking.